From signature high-rises to dynamic mixed-use destinations and thriving suburban office parks, every square foot of your space holds possibility. When every tenant is satisfied, every visitor delighted, and every team member empowered to succeed, there's no challenge you can't overcome. With over 100 years of experience, ABM keeps spaces and places operating at their best through engineering and predictive maintenance, reliable electrical and power systems, and optimized HVAC that ensures everyone breathes easier. We create healthier, more efficient spaces with tech-enabled cleaning services, smart lighting, and seamless parking and transportation, making every arrival effortless. Backed by data, optimized by smart technology, and delivered by our self-performing teams, we transform possibility into reality, creating spaces and places that not only make great first impressions, but great lasting impressions.